Hello guys, this is Tesla once again, and like I told you in my first video, that was let's say yesterday, the other day I think I uploaded the other day. I told you about Tesla and how it was at a very steep downtrend, and that currently at that time it was a very nice it provided a very nice entry point for a short, and that it's great because it seems to have a strong bearish momentum, and that it has a good risk reward ratio, and it would seem like um, this trading session, the last trading session, it even gapped down. So if you entered here, even here at the open, it would be a good good it would be a good trade. And if you had entered it at this point over here, you had a stop set above here, it's going to be wow, and you could ride this even lower. Right now, um, Tesla is still very strong, very strong downtrend. And if you look at 5 minutes, you can see that this is another uh, potential entry point. You where say you put your stop above this point over here, and it's going to have a good reward. Let's say you enter right about there, place your stops right about there, and even this one over here, even that's already good with a 2.5 risk reward ratio. So that's good actually if you want to go day trading. But if you want to ride a trend and just keep moving your stops, then that's also good, because this one over here might move another down wave like that, as much as that, maybe from here. That's a huge possibility, because the downward momentum is strong. It's still strong. It See the gap. It's so powerful. So if you maybe this one here is a good target, 96, because it's also a round number. Oh, maybe that one here, 96. The 96 90 might be a good if you want to ride a trend. If you just want to get in and out real quick, then you could perhaps enter right about here, put stops above the recent swing high, and get out uh, over here and be done with it. That could be a plan. Or you could just, once it reaches this point, you could then move your maybe you could move it here, and then put your stop strike like that, and then just keep on moving it, or do it one to one, once to one, because you're already gaining. It's already in the money. So that's it. um, right now it's still a short opportunity. Okay, and support is still far away. There's still a lot of um, downside here for day traders because, as I said, this one here, it doesn't seem enough to support it, like I said, and it didn't. I said in my previous video that when it fell, that this is a potential support, but I said that, well, I'm not sure if that's strong enough because, again, you have to look at it like this. This support over here had been tested and retested many times, which means the support is strong, but it broke right here. It retested and failed. That means whatever broke this, if this is like say physics, the force required to break this strong barrier over here must be a strong force. And that strong force cannot be held or stopped by something as weak as this. That's in physics. But sometimes those principles in physics would apply in the financial markets because somehow emotions are still a different kind of force. Still something like that. Maybe not exactly, but akin or synonymous, analogous, or whatever, however you want to call it. And that force, that emotion that drive sellers to break this can hardly be resisted or supported, rather, by this level over here. Much less this, I think. So while this is the next incoming support for the down push, I don't think it's gonna hold. Maybe it's gonna stay just a bit. Maybe it's gonna bounce a bit, but no, it's it's heading lower, heading lower. And yes, that's it. A big problem for Tesla, I guess. Big problem. So that's it for Tesla, and we'll see how it goes tomorrow.